Have you ever seen a machine that can turn simple juice into hundreds of frozen ice pops every single day? Today, we're looking at a fascinating ice popsicle making machine. And honestly, it's way more satisfying to watch than I expected. The process looks incredibly smooth. First, the liquid mixture is poured into the stainless steel molds. Then the sticks are carefully placed into position. After that, the freezing process begins. Honestly, this feels like one of those machines you can watch for hours without getting bored. The combination of automation, freezing, and colorful results is strangely satisfying to see. And now the big question. If you owned this machine, what flavor would be your very first popsicle? This machine can turn fresh fruit into crunchy snacks that last for months. Without preservatives, it uses freeze-drying technology to remove water from the fruit while keeping the shape, color, and flavor almost the same. First, the fruit is frozen at extremely low temperatures. Then the machine slowly removes the moisture using powerful vacuum pressure. The result: light, crispy fruit snacks that still look almost fresh. This is the same technology used for premium snacks, astronaut food, and emergency supplies. Honestly, watching this process feels like looking into the future of food production. This machine can turn fresh fruit into crispy snacks that last for months without using preservatives. First, the fruit is frozen at extremely low temperatures inside these massive stainless steel chambers. Then the machine slowly removes all the moisture using powerful... Have you ever wondered how thousands of snack bars are made so perfectly every single day? What you're watching is a fully automated cereal bar production line. And honestly, the process is incredibly satisfying. First, huge amounts of grains, nuts, and syrup are mixed together inside powerful industrial mixers. Then the sticky mixture moves through giant stainless steel rollers that flatten everything into one perfectly even layer. After that, the machine carefully cuts the mixture into identical snack bars with impressive precision. But the most fascinating part, the entire process happens almost non-stop. This giant machine can remove moisture from food and make it last for months, sometimes even years. What you're watching is an industrial food drying machine, and the process is surprisingly satisfying. First, fresh ingredients are carefully placed onto large stainless steel trays. Then the trays slide into this massive drying chamber that looks almost like a futuristic vault. Inside, the machine uses controlled heat and airflow to slowly remove moisture from the food without completely destroying its shape or texture. This giant industrial machine can dry massive amounts of food with incredible precision. First, the trays are loaded with fresh ingredients and pushed deep inside the huge stainless steel chamber. Then, powerful heat and airflow systems slowly remove the moisture while helping preserve the food for long periods. This process is used for fruits, vegetables, herbs, seafood, and many packaged foods sold around the world. And honestly, watching these giant trays move through the machine feels strangely satisfying. The final product comes out lighter, preserved, and ready to be shipped around the world. Have you ever seen a machine that can process food this fast? What you're watching is a fully automated industrial production line, working with incredible precision. Everything moves non-stop, loading, processing, cutting, and transferring products in seconds. The most satisfying part is how perfectly synchronized the entire system looks. Huge stainless steel machines, fast-moving conveyors, and non-stop automation make the whole factory feel futuristic. And in just a short time, raw materials are transformed into finished products ready for packaging and shipping around the world. Honestly, machines like this show how advanced modern factories have become. from massive machines to fully automated systems. This is how modern factories produce thousands of products every single day. And the speed of this entire process is absolutely insane. This machine looks like something straight out of a futuristic factory. Everything is moving with incredible speed and precision at the same time. Massive mechanical parts, non-stop automation, and perfectly synchronized movements make the entire process strangely satisfying to watch. What's even more impressive is how these industrial systems can operate for hours, producing huge quantities without stopping. And honestly, seeing raw materials transform this fast almost feels unreal. The level of automation inside this factory is honestly unbelievable. Have you ever wondered how massive factories produce huge amounts of products so quickly without everything turning into chaos? What you're watching is a powerful industrial production system operating with incredible speed and precision at the same time. Every section of the factory is perfectly synchronized. Huge mechanical arms move non-stop, conveyor belts transport materials in seconds, and massive stainless steel machines handle each step automatically with almost no human effort. The most fascinating part is how organized everything looks despite the insane speed of the operation. Thousands of movements are happening every minute, yet the entire system works together like one giant machine. This is the level of automation modern factories rely on to produce enormous quantities every single day. And honestly, watching these giant industrial machines operate feels strangely satisfying. The sounds, the movement, the precision, and the non-stop motion make the entire process look futuristic. What's even crazier is that machines like these can run for hours, sometimes even 24 hours a day, producing products continuously without stopping. From raw materials entering the line to finished products ready for packaging and shipping, everything happens incredibly fast. And after watching, have you ever seen a machine work this smoothly before? What you're watching is a powerful industrial system designed to handle massive production with incredible speed and precision. Every movement looks perfectly calculated. The machines operate non-stop. The conveyor systems move continuously, and everything works together like one giant automated process. What makes this even more fascinating is the level of synchronization inside the factory. Thousands of products can move through these systems every single hour with almost no delays. And honestly, watching these giant machines in action feels strangely satisfying. The sounds, the motion, and the non-stop automation make the entire factory look futuristic. And the speed of this entire operation is absolutely unbelievable. From raw materials to finished products, everything happens in just minutes inside these massive automated factories. Modern factories like this can operate day and night, producing massive quantities with incredible precision and almost no wasted time. This massive machine is designed to handle industrial production at an incredible speed. Everything inside the factory moves in perfect sync. Huge conveyor systems transport materials, powerful mechanical parts operate with extreme precision, and the entire process looks almost futuristic to watch. What's really fascinating is how these automated systems can produce huge quantities continuously with very little human effort. And honestly, the speed and coordination of these giant machines make the whole operation look unbelievably satisfying. Which machine impressed you the most? Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing factory technology and satisfying machines.